Tigers. This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. We reach the closing bell, and markets rejoice with the Federal Reserve. Let's get to the headline as they cut. 3 dissents. 2 of those dissents thought we should have stood pat. The other dissent, Mr. Stephen Moran, that thought we should have went 50. But nonetheless, the vote is 9-3. They cut by 25 basis points, and they project now one cut next year. 9-3 vote. That target range is now 3.5 to 3.75. They also will begin Treasury bill purchases in 2 days. And how many are they buying? $40 billion a month. So you got a buyer. And when you got an extra buyer in the market, folks, what's that mean? If you have more buyers in the market, the price is going up. And when the price is going up, yield is going down. That's your 2-year. Okay, your 2-year right now is up 5 ticks, and the 2-year yield is down 8 basis points. That's a big move on the 2-year. Down 8 basis points to 3.53. We'll pull over the yield curve so you can take a look. The 2-year, 3.53, 3.54, down 8 basis points. The 10-year, down 4 basis points, 4.15, but most pronounced on the 2-year because, yeah, you got a new buyer in that market. Imagine if you want to be a buyer in that market, right? Well, you're competing with the U.S. government. You're competing with the Fed. And they're going to add $40 billion of demand on a monthly basis for short-term treasuries. Market likes that, and boy, you better believe the Russell, particularly rate sensitive, likes that as well. The Russell hits an all-time high. We're up by 1.4%, up 36 points at 2565. The Dow up by more than a percentage point, up 495 points at 48,108. The NASDAQ up by about 0.4%, and the S&P is up by 0.6%. We jump back to the dollar. So as you have yields lower, you got dollar weakness in a big way. How's that for a move? The dollar at 98.65. Gold up by $25 or 0.6%, and silver hits another all-time high as well. Silver up by $1.40. Look at this, 62.22 for silver. All right, and after the close today, we got Oracle numbers up by 0.8% for Oracle. How about some of the banks, the financials? Right, Goldman up by 1.4. Morgan Stanley only 0.5%, but big numbers. Jump over to JP Morgan, up by 3.2%. How's that? All right, folks, thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great night. Have a safe night. Enjoy it out there, folks. I appreciate you being here, and we'll see you tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock a.m. for the morning market kick.